Tēnā tātou katoa, ko Andrew tōku ingoa, the LEARNZ Kaiārahi for the Waipoua Awa Restoration Field Trip. And here we are in Waipoua Ngāhere, home to Tāne Mahuta and of course the Waipoua Awa. Well, as you know, awa in Aotearoa and all around the world are hugely important ecosystems and play many different roles in our environment, and people are really connected to them. Unfortunately, awa around Aotearoa, including Waipoua, are facing increasing amounts of pressure, usually from how land has been used in the surrounding catchment. So on this field trip, you are going to find out how Te Roroa iwi, who are mana whenua here in Waipoua, are working to restore parts of the whenua and parts of the awa. Waipoua Awa already is a very pristine river, but by restoring parts that have been impacted by people, it will continue to maintain the mauri of the river. It will reconnect people to the awa and ensure the whenua surrounding the awa will be sustainable for future generations. I'm looking forward to you joining me on the field trip. Ka kite anō.